Hello. Today's lesson, we are going to cover Form 4 work. Trigonometry 3. Trigonometry 3. And we have already provided the question here with us. 4 sine squared theta plus 4 cos theta is equals to 5. For the range given between 0 or up to 360. So that is the range of theta, the value of theta that you're working with. Now, step number 1, you identify this. You have 4 sine squared theta plus 4 cos theta equals 5. There is this concept. There is a concept cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equals to 1. That concept. So this is cos squared. Cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. So therefore, because this one is cos, that's cos, you express sine in terms of cos. In terms of cos. So you replace this. So sine theta is equals to, you take cos squared theta on the other side, you get sine squared theta is equals to 1 minus cos squared theta. So it's like making the sine squared theta the subject. So instead of writing cos sine squared theta, you write now 4 bracket 1 minus cos squared theta plus 4 cos theta is equals to 5. Is equals to 5. Is equals to 5. Then open the bracket. Open this bracket, you get 4 minus 4 cos squared theta plus 4 cos theta is equals to 5. Is equals to 5. So that's what you do. Then from there, because you have cos squared theta and you have this is cos theta, you let cos theta be a letter like k. Make it k. So this is k. So because cos theta is common, so you get 4 minus 4 k squared plus 4 k equals 5. Is equals to 5. Equals to 5. Yes, you get 4 minus 4 k squared plus 4k equals 5. Therefore, take this one, bring this on this side. You get 4 minus 5 minus 4k squared plus k plus 4k there. 4k is equals to 0. So therefore, you get this one 4 minus 1. 4 minus 5 is minus 1 minus 4k squared plus 4k is equals to 0. Then from there, what do? This is 4k. You make it quadratic. You can take these ones on the other side. You can take them. You can take all these values on the other side. Therefore, you get 4k squared minus 4k. And then this one becomes plus 1 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. So it's equals to 0 like that. So therefore, you get 4k squared minus 4k plus 1 equals to 0. Now you solve the value of k quadratically. So your value of a is 4, b is minus 4, and your c is equals to 1. We can use the sum and product method. We say AC, product AC, 4 times 1 is 4, and then the sum is equals to b, which is equal to minus 4. So which are these two numbers that you can multiply to get 4? And when you add them, you get minus 4. So the two numbers in this case are minus 2 and minus 2. It is minus 2, minus 2. So therefore, you replace this minus 4k. You say 4k squared minus 2k plus 1 is equals to 0. Plus 1 equals to 0. So factorize the first two and the last two. So therefore, what is common for the first two? 2k. Therefore, this becomes 2k minus 1. This one is what's common here. This minus 1 is common. So that you can have 2k minus 1 is equals to 0. You have 2k minus 1 equals to 0. So take this 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1 and 2k is 2k minus 1 equals to 0. So these two factors are equal. The two factors are equal. So therefore you can simply say 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. So equate one of the factors. Equate one of the factors because they are equal. So you say 2k now equals 1. So what is k? K is a half. The value of k is a half. The value of k is a half. But in your question, you require the value of theta, not k. You require the value of theta, not k. So therefore, once you get that k is equal to a half, you say cos theta is equal to a half. Cos theta is equal to a half. You get your unit circle, A, S, T, C. That A represents that sine, cosine, and tangent, they are positive in the first quadrant. And the first quadrant runs between 0 and 90. This one here. And it is represented by the angle theta. Then the second one is sine. Sine is positive between 90 and 180. Then cosine and tangent here are negative. The third one is tangent. Tangent is positive in the third quadrant. And cosine is positive in the fourth quadrant. So in our case here, we have a half. A half. This value here is positive. So can you find cos inverse of a half? Cos inverse of a half, you get the angle theta. The angle theta there in this case is 60 degrees. Is 60 degrees because cos inverse of a half is 60 degrees. So you can also use your calculator and get shift cos, get cos inverse of 0.5. You get that is 60 degrees, and it is this one. So 60 degrees is in the first quadrant. That is 60 degrees. It is in the first quadrant. And cosine is positive in the first and third quadrant. And you're talking that the value of theta must be between 0 and 360. So therefore, the other one in the third quadrant, in the fourth quadrant, is 360 minus theta. Is 360 minus theta. So therefore, the first angle is 60 degrees. The second angle here will be 360 minus 60. You get 300 degrees. So therefore, the required answer for this question is 60 degrees and 300 degrees. You can see that your theta is not beyond 360, between 0 and 360. So that is how to solve that kind of a question. And that is the end of that question. Thank you very much.